In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the letter Enye in Canva, a useful skill for anyone looking to incorporate Spanish words or names requiring that particular character into their designs. Whether you're working on a presentation, a poster, or creating content for social media, knowing how to do this can make your text look polished and professional. Let's get started. First, head over to Canva's website and log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, it's quick to sign up using your email address or social media accounts. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage, where you have access to a wide range of design options. Here you can either open an existing design or start fresh if you click on Create a Design. If you're new to Canva, I'd suggest starting a blank project to help you get familiar with the interface. Once you've got your design open, we'll begin adding the letter Enye. Start by adding a heading to your design. You can do this by clicking on the text button from the left toolbar, then selecting Add a Heading. This is where we'll input our text and create space for the Enye character. For the uppercase Enye, you'll need to use your keyboard's numeric keypad. Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, and while holding it, type 0209. Once you release the Alt key, the uppercase Enye should appear in your text box. This Alt code specifically represents the capitalized version of the letter N with a tilde, or tzt. It might take a couple of tries if you're not accustomed to using Alt codes, so don't worry if it doesn't appear right away. Simply try again. Next, let's add another text box which will help us enter a lowercase Enye. To do this, repeat the process of clicking on the text button and selecting Add a Subheading or Add a Body of Text. With the new text box active, you're ready to type in a lowercase Enye. Similar to before, hold the Alt key, but this time type the code 0241. Release the Alt key, and the lowercase Enye Nyi should appear. And there you have it. You've successfully added both uppercase and lowercase Enye characters to your Canva design. This technique can be really handy, especially for designs that need accurate representation of Spanish names or words in printed or digital formats. Remember to save your work often to ensure you don't lose any progress. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps make your Canva creations even more vibrant and professional. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.